Sky Nano 2. People who like fun and small devices will enjoy this mini drone from the Chinese brand TRMD Labs. The dimensions of the model are tiny. With a width of only 4 centimeters and a weight of only 17 grams, the device literally fits in the palm of your hand. Despite its size, the drone has outstanding functionality and impressive specifications. The Sky Nano 2 can rise 50 meters in the air. The 2-megapixel camera allows you to take clear pictures with a resolution of 1280 by 720 pixels. No remote control is required because the drone is controlled with the smartphone. The image from the camera is displayed in real time in the app. The built-in LEDs allow you to take pictures even at night. And in case you get bored, the Sky Nano 2 can perform a couple of tricks. The minimum price is $60. AirPix. Here is a drone that's been created especially for people who love taking pictures. That's why the image quality on this drone is much higher. AirPix has a 12-megapixel camera and is capable of recording 1080p videos. Besides, the device is literally the perfect size for you to take anywhere. AirPix eliminates the need to use selfie sticks or ask passers-by for help, allowing you to take pictures from unusual and unexpected angles. In addition, the drone is equipped with an auto fly mode. The device stays in the air on its own, so you don't need to worry about it, and you can concentrate completely on finding the perfect pose. An additional advantage is the 8 GB of internal memory. The flight range is 18.2 meters, and the time is just over 6 minutes. This device will cost you about $100. UDI RC-U845. Maybe you think 6 minutes of flight time isn't quite enough. However, this is due to the size. It's not easy to fit a powerful battery in such a small drone, in addition to the other electronic elements such as a high-quality camera. For this reason, short flight times are the norm when talking about mini drones. This model, for example, from another Chinese manufacturer, can fly between 6 and 9 minutes. The remote-controlled hexacopter is equipped with a 2-megapixel camera and records videos with a resolution of 1280 by 720 pixels. The 6 axes provide flight stability and optimum maneuverability. Controlling the device is easy, even for beginners. The model has an interesting design too, similar to that of an alien spacecraft. In addition, the manufacturer has added a bright LED backlight. This allows you to keep an eye on the drone, even in the distance. The price of the device is about $45. TR006RC. If you find it hard to imagine the size of these tiny little drones, then try mentally splitting your smartphone in two. Because that is the size of most mini drones, including the TechRC TR006RC model. It's no more than 7 cm wide and 3 cm high. The manufacturer has equipped the device with 3 flight modes. Thanks to this, the drone can be a great toy for children and beginners, but at the same time it will offer hours of entertainment to professionals who already know how to operate these devices. Of course, the drone has a built-in camera for taking high-quality pictures and shooting videos. The maximum flight height is 3 meters and the distance is 15 meters. And the last important feature is its amazing maneuverability. The manufacturer claims that this drone can perform tricks and offer you hours of fun every day. The price of this device is $25. Pitta. A remarkable feature of this drone, if we compare it with other devices featured in our video, is its greater functionality. Like other devices, Pitta is equipped with a camera to record videos and take pictures. However, pay attention to the modular design that allows Pitta to perform many other useful tasks. For example, the device can be used as a Wi-Fi surveillance camera. All you need to do is connect the camera module to a fixed platform. Pitta also turns into an action camera if you mount it on a special stand. The camera can take burst shots, record in slow motion, be used for live broadcasts and time-lapse videos. Interestingly, the 13-megapixel camera module has enough battery life for over 100 minutes of work. And finally, there's a drone mode. The device is capable of staying in the air for up to 15 minutes. You can set it to follow a person or an object. The drone can hover in the air, avoid obstacles, circle around the selected object, and take panoramic pictures. Despite its characteristics, the weight does not exceed 200 grams. Pitta is available for a starting price of $270. Power-Up FPV. If your dream of becoming a real pilot didn't come true, maybe this drone will allow you to compensate for the lack of emotion in the air. With a relatively low price, about $110, the Power-Up FPV offers the owner the unique experience of flying from a first-person view. The device consists of a flight module, special paper, and glasses. The principle of operation is very simple. The user assembles a paper plane and installs the flight module in it. The user also needs to download a mobile app to see what the drone is seeing in real time. The smartphone is then placed in a pair of special glasses, and all you have to do is launch the plane into the air and enjoy the flight. You can control the movement of the device without the glasses using the touch joysticks on the smartphone screen. In augmented reality mode, the plane reacts to the head tilts. The manufacturer claims that the drone's structure is very solid thanks to the special paper used for the aircraft. And also, it can be folded in several ways to make the device look unique. S4. Unlike all of the other devices we've shown today, this isn't an air drone, but a water drone. The S4 model of the Chinese brand JJRC is equipped with a camera that offers opportunities for exploration to nature lovers. The drone will allow you to observe everything that's happening from a first-person view. The drone will also be an ideal companion for photographers that love taking pictures on the water, but those are not all of its features. The device is compatible with different VR glasses. The maximum travel speed is 20 to 25 kilometers per hour. Pretty impressive for a drone. The boat has a capsize recovery feature too. The systems inside the drone are protected by a durable sealed hull, so the device can even ride waves. The charge is enough for 7 minutes of work, and the control range is 150 meters. The price of the device is $65. H123D X4 Jet. The American company Hubsan offers all kinds of drones, but we chose this one because it is a racing drone. For $175, the device will offer you many hours of exciting flights and fun. The H123D X4 Jet can perform 360-degree rolls and flips in any direction. The camera also records images at a resolution of 720 pixels and transmits them to the user in real time. The small drone can move up to 100 meters away from the operator as well. The maximum flight time is up to 10 minutes. And finally, the most amazing feature. The flight speed is 25 meters per second, or 90 kilometers per hour. The drone's amazing maneuverability allows it to avoid obstacles. Even if a collision does occur though, the strong carbon layer protects the internal components. Proto X. The last device on our list today is one of the smallest drones in history. The manufacturer, Estes, worked hard to create a truly high-tech model. In our opinion, the specialist did a great job. Proto X is equipped with LEDs, so it won't disappear without a trace in the dark. The integrated gyro sensor ensures a stable and smooth flight in any situation. The small drone weighs only 11.5 grams, and it doesn't exceed 4.5 centimeters in width. Despite its small size though, the drone can stay in the air for 10 to 15 minutes, and it only takes half an hour to fully charge it. The minimum price of this device is $40.